In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a classroom in Google Classroom. This quick and easy tutorial is perfect for teachers who want to leverage technology to enhance learning environments. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to start by heading over to classroom.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Make sure you're using your Google account for this process, as it helps ensure seamless integration and access to all Google Classroom features. If you're sharing a computer or working in a communal space, double check that you're signed into the correct account to avoid any confusion later. After successfully signing in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there. This is your gateway to many of the platform's functions. Go ahead and click on that plus symbol. What you're doing here is accessing the menu to either join an existing class or begin a new creation. Today, we're focusing on the latter. Once you click the plus icon, a menu will appear offering you different options. From here, select Create Class. It's a straightforward choice, but one filled with a lot of possibilities for shaping a unique learning environment. If you're using a personal Google account as opposed to one provided by an educational institution, there might be a prompt asking you to review and accept some terms. It's always a good idea to read these over, just to ensure that you're comfortable with all the associated terms of service. Next comes the creative part, filling in your class details. This is where you can inject a bit of personality and structure into your class by providing meaningful titles and sections. Start with the class name, a required field that should clearly reflect the purpose or identity of the class. If you have a morning and afternoon session, for instance, you can indicate that in the section field, such as morning session. Now it's time to specify the subject. You might be teaching math, science, or any other field. This helps keep your classes organized. Finally, assign a room number. Even if your class will be held online, this is a feature that helps specific classes mirror the organization of a physical school space like Room 101. After filling in all these crucial details, the last thing you need to do is click Create. With that, you've officially set up your Google Classroom. From here, you can start adding students, posting announcements, and creating assignments. And that's all there is to it. Remember, creating a classroom environment that's organized and reflective of your teaching style will help attract and engage your students. Be sure to explore further into Google Classroom settings for more personalization options. Thanks for watching, and I hope your new class is a great success.